So I was just looking at a couple of the steps here in project 2. So in cell B13, enter 5321 as the date. And let's see, B13, that would be this cell right here. Again, remember this is your name box here. So they want 5321. And notice that when I press enter, it does the formatting for me. That's because the cell was formatted in that way for date, so it automatically does it for you. Then the next step is to merge the cells in the range B2 to I2. So select B2, I'm doing them backwards, but B2 to I2. And then merge and center. So again, when you minimize your window, you may not be able to find everything. I want to say this is merge and center, but if you maximize your window, you'll see it's explained for you. So that's the merge and center. And notice that it merges across all of these cells and then centers the text in the middle there. So when you navigate up, right, it grabs that whole area and highlights the whole area. And then the next step here, apply the accent 3 cell style to the range B10 to I10. So select B10, that's right here, click and drag until you get to I10. And then accent 3, so here look up in the cell styles. If you click this is the more button, the down arrow with a line above it. And here's accent 1, accent 2, accent 3. The percentages change the saturation level, right? So you can see that they're lighter and darker. But it said accent 3 without any percentage, so that would be it.